French seams are absolutely essential when you're working with fabrics like this beautiful sheer silk chiffon. Follow my quick and easy tutorial and I'll show you how to achieve this perfect French seam. It's so easy to sew. I'm going to show you how to sew a French seam with this organza. You need to have the right side of your fabric on the outside, so the wrong sides are both together. This has a 1.5 centimetre seam allowance, so I'm going to pin it here and I'm going to sew a 1 centimetre seam. Now that this has been stitched, we need to trim it closer to the seam. We need to leave around 2 to 3 millimetres, just close enough to trim plenty off, but not so close that it starts fraying. Now that it's trimmed, we need to iron it to one side. Now that this has been ironed, it's going to one side. We need to pin it with the seam right on the very edge. And then what we're going to do is sew down 5 millimetres, so that added on to our previous 1 centimetre makes our 1.5 centimetre seam allowance. And once that's been stitched, the seam that we've already done is going to be encased within that seam, and that will stop any fraying. Now that this has been stitched, we just need to press it to one side and our seam will be complete. And there you go, a lovely neat French seam.